Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ. And if you're new, a special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your fingerprint on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Right, so do a swipe up and go to settings. From here, scroll a bit down to where you see security and privacy. You want to tap on that. Then you want to scroll down a bit to where you find additional security settings. Tap on the biometrics there. You will see face recognition, but you also find the fingerprints. If you'd like to learn how to set up the face recognition, you can check out my previous video where I show you how to set this up. It's very easy. Now, tap on fingerprints here and it will ask you to put in your PIN. So go ahead and put in your PIN and then you'll have the fingerprint setup up here. Just simple click on next. Then it will ask you to register your fingerprint. As you can see there, it's showing. Just simple click on register and you will need to put in your fingerprint. You'll need to add your finger a few times while the percentage counts up. Now, as you can see, each time I put my fingerprint, I don't know if you're, each time I'll put my fingerprint on the phone here, it will register it and it will count up. Now, once you're finished, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click done. Now, I've added two different fingerprints there, right? And you can add multiple fingerprints. As you can see from the top here, I have two of them. Now, once you're finished, you'll see a bunch of settings here that you can go ahead and you can check and uncheck. By default, you have the fingerprint unlock. You also have the fingerprint always on and show animation when unlocked. You have this on as well. So you have a few options here that you can keep on or turn off if you so desire. But once you follow the steps by simply adding your fingerprint while the percentage counts up, then your fingerprint will be added. You just need to click done at the end. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.